Dear friends, today the Republic of India is celebrating its 80th Independence Day. 8 decades ago, India broke free from colonial rule and embarked on a path of self-reliance and prosperity. Significantly, this year also marks the 65th anniversary of the greatest feat of human space exploration, historic flight by Soviet cosmonaut Yuri Gagarin.
In November 1961, he visited India and said that India is very beautiful from above, but it is even more beautiful on Earth. It is special because it is home to true friends. It started with the launch of the first Indian satellite, Aryabhata.
We are delighted to extend our heartfelt congratulations to the friendly people of India on their Independence Day. On Live India-Russia friendship.